Hi, I'm Jaime, and today's video that I'm making is how to make a round keto taco shell. I don't know anything different than anybody else has made these videos. The only thing I know is that I like round, perfect tortillas and taco shells. So what I did is used a few items around the house to make a round taco shell. I put it on Facebook the other day. Nobody believed that I made round taco shells, and they thought I purchased them. So this video is to show you if I can make a taco shell, you can make a taco shell. And if you're not on a keto diet, still share this thing because it's a pretty good damn taco shell. So here we go. First, you need to get a lid that the same size as a taco. This one's off a plastic canister, and if you don't have one of those, look at this. It's from a Cool Whip container. And yeah, I save Cool Whip containers, use them as Tupperware. But anyway, yeah, they'll look like this. So what you do is you get half a cup. I'll turn it this way. Half a cup of cheese. And then you just, I used a big cup. I usually just don't measure it. I just stick it in there. So what you do is you kind of shape it and make sure that it's kind of flat in there. And that's all you're going to do to make the perfect round taco shell, because now we're going to put it in the microwave for 30 seconds. So once the 30 seconds is up, that's what you get. It's melted to the perfect circle. Then it's kind of hot, but I throw it in the refrigerator for about 2 or 3 minutes. So once you leave it in the refrigerator for a couple of minutes, that's what you get. So now it's pliable. So let me pull it out. So this, I guess you can make a soft taco out of it. It's all rubbery. You put it on the parchment paper. Now the cool thing is you can stack it. They'll stay flat. Put them in a plastic Ziploc. Stick them in the refrigerator for later. You don't want to make them the same day of, or you're going to be sitting there forever. So you want to make them a few days before or earlier that day. And now you got a taco shell. But what we're going to do is we're going to crisp these up. So what you do is you put it in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven, and get it crispy. And then we're going to form them. Let me do that here a little bit. So once you heat up your oven to 350, all you do is get your a pan, any size you like, I guess. This one makes 2. What I'm going to do, just to show you that you can use a Tupperware, is I'm going to put one of the ones I made with a Tupperware container so you can see the difference. I'm sorry about that, a Cool Whip container. That way you can see the difference. Notice this one has a little line and this one's just flat. So all you got to do is find you a piece of plastic, a lid container, and that's how you make your perfectly round shells. So now we're going to put these in the oven for 8 to 10 minutes. I'm going to say about 8. And that's all you really need for right now. And then I'll bring you back when they're done. So you're probably asking, well, Jaime, those things are flat once they come out of the oven. You're right, and they're going to be crispy. But they're going to still be a little bit pliable because they're hot. And then what you do, my oven just turned on. So I went and bought 2 of these together at Walmart, $3.50. But I cut it in half and I made these. So what you do is it's strong enough and you can cook on it, but all we're going to do is lay the tacos right on here. And if you like flat tacos like I do because they hold up, all you got to do is bend it. But this is my taco former. So we'll see what they look like here in a second. Okay, so now it's 10 minutes. Perfect. So you can see them. You can see how they're crisping up. So now all I'm going to do is take these over here. I'm going to let them cool down for a second. But if you wonder why I got these curved up, they're kind of oily. So when I put them on there, they're going to form, but the oil, if there's any left, will actually go onto the tray. There's one. That's how easy it is. And everybody thought I bought these. Nope, everybody thought. Okay, so I messed up on one. Everybody thought I said, where'd you buy those? Where'd you get those? And I was just explaining that I made them. And they're going to go in my mouth, so I don't care if I touch it with my hand. That's it. So now we're going to let those sit. And once they crisp up, or dry up, or become solid, I'll show you what it looks like. So throw your taco shells you buy at the store away, folks. Here you go. It's crispy, and it'll stand up by itself. Ta-da! And there is your keto taco shell. I did this because I got some friends that didn't believe I could make it, so I thought I'd do a video. You have a good day now. Good stuff. If I can make it, you can make it.